Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around and trying to play it cool, but it's hard to focus when I see him walking across the room. Let us know it's plastic now, but I won't get in the mood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true. Love that he thinks of, so next Christmas I'm not all alone, boy.
My point of view, POV. Turn it down a little bit, man. It's a little chill in here, gang, but gotta holler at the gang though, you feel me? But on the way to the gym, man, y'all probably already know that, man. And man, like Quona at the crib, Quona knocked completely out, man. She had to handle some business when she got off of work, so I wasn't gonna even wake up and tell her, come on, let's hit the gym, man. Like, I have a little grace with my mom, plus she already fine as hell, so, you know what I mean? She ain't really gotta hit the gym as much as most people, you feel me? Oh, you wanna race? You wanna, what? Pipe up, what? Pipe up! My baby went shopping today, and boy, I ain't gonna even care. Every time she goes shopping, right? Boy, I don't know, gang. I'ma tell y'all how I basically view how much money she spent by how long she stay out. Feel me? Like, if she stay out for a good little while, I be thinking like, okay, she broke the bank. You know what I'm saying? But if she go and she come right back to the crib, then I be like, she really ain't break the bank. Okay, what's happening there? Let me put that thing in spark, boy.
Alright, y'all, so I'm back from the store. I had to make a quick little run and go get some Christmas stuff. And some of the stuff that I got is not for me. I'm actually somebody's secret Santa, so I'm buying gifts for a person at work. And y'all, it has been so hard. Y'all, comment down below if you're like this. But every time I go out to get a nice gift for her, y'all, I always come across something that I want for me. Like, the gifts that I'm giving her are just so nice that I want one for me too. And yesterday, y'all, I came across a gift and they only had one of them. And like, I was gonna get one for me. That was the goal. Well, I don't know why, but the goal is always, if I find a nice gift for them, I gotta get the same thing for me. But yesterday, they only had one of them. So yeah, I broke that bad habit. Finally, yesterday, I was gonna keep the gift that I found for her. But instead, I was like, you know what? That'll be really selfish. I need to get her something nice because she deserves it. So I went on and gave it to her. But y'all, I have been thinking about it for a long time. Even today, it was still on my mind. I was like, dang, I wish I had kept that gift. Not that I wish I had kept it. I just wish I had one of them. But I wanted it for her too. But anyway, let me show you what I got from Ross. Like, y'all, Ross is one of my stores because you get some good stuff for cheap there. But anyway, y'all, I got me 2 charcuterie boards. Y'all, I have been wanting a charcuterie board for a really long time. Y'all, there are 2 of them put together. And guess how much this was? $10. That's it. That's why I like Ross. All right, so I got some Christmas paper to put in gifts. And I did not need these. But I don't know, they're just so cute. These are some oven mitts with the silicone on them. And they're the Christmas kind, all right? And I think everything else in here is not for me. It's for my secret Santa. What I got her was a gift card holder to spruce up her gift. I don't know how you open it. There you go. Oh, that looks cute. All right, so you just put the gift card right there. That is so cute. Oh, I closed it wrong. Yeah, I like that. All right, what else did I get her? So she has some kids at the house that she's always doing like creative stuff with. So I was like, maybe she can bake some Christmas cookies and decorate them with her niece and nephew over the Christmas break. So yeah, I got that. And let's see what else. Oh, I lied. I said I didn't get anything else for myself, but that's not true. All right, I did get some bags to put this stuff in. And this is what I got for me, y'all. And I really wanted it for her. See, I told you, I have a really bad habit. So this is what I was gonna give her. Like, you know, I had the little cookie cutter and then the cookie muffin pan. I don't even know what it is. I gotta go back and look. But anyway, I thought thought this would be good to pair with it. These are like cookie bacon sheets. And yeah, it's 2 of them attached. Y'all, it was only $7.99. So I wanted to get her one because it goes with the other gift. But they only had 1. If they had 2, she really would have gotten 1. But I need this myself. I really did. And they had another one, but it was like super large. And I was like, I'm not getting that for me because it's only 2 of us in the house. Like, when am I ever gonna use that big old bacon dish? So, yeah. I wish there was another one though. I really would have gotten it for her. And then I got this for my hubby. Not for a gift, y'all. Just for around the house. I got some KitchenAid utensils because they're sturdy. And the ones we have now are a little bit flimsy. So, yeah. I just wanted to replace the ones we have. Oh, and I got my father-in-law a gift. So, let me show you. I forgot I put it in my bag because I didn't want it to break. So yeah, I gotta show y'all that. And the reason why I can show these gifts, y'all, I don't think the people who I bought the gifts for, I don't think they watch our YouTube. If they do, that's on them. Now you know what you got. Alright. So yeah, look at that, y'all. It's so cute. So yeah, I can't wait to give him that. He gonna be like, girl, I'm gonna drink me some coffee now. I'll never drink coffee, but I'm gonna drink coffee now. But yeah, that's super cute. I don't know, I kind of want one myself. I don't even like the Falcons. I don't dislike them, don't get me wrong, because I don't want anybody in the comments like, oh, that's the home team. How can you not like the Falcons? It's not that. I'm just not big on sports. I'm really not. Like, I watch them when Don watches sports, but he's usually watching Colorado. I don't think he's a Falcons fan. Because, I don't know, I think he talked junk about the Falcons, if anything. Yeah, he ain't no Falcons fan. Alright, anyway, let me go ahead and put these things up. I'm going to take this to work tomorrow so I won't forget. Because, y'all, it be rough. In the morning time when I wake up, I don't know. I wake up late, first of all, a lot. Because I never hear my alarm go off. I don't know, something's wrong with me. I don't know. But when I wake up late, I'm like always rushing, trying to get out the house fast. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this stuff to work and just give it to her every day from work. I'll just package it there. I'm trying to see what this is because I was telling y'all earlier, like I got these cookie cutters. I know these are cookie cutters, and this is a molding pan. But what is a molding pan, y'all? I was gonna get it for myself, but then I was like, I ain't gonna use that. So I try not to be wasteful with my money. If I know I'm not gonna use it, I'm not gonna spend the money on it. So, okay, so it says it's a festive shape mold pan, and it can withstand heat up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also put it in the microwave. You can put it in the freezer. You can wash it in the dishwasher, all that good stuff. So yeah, I don't know what I could do with it. Maybe ice. Maybe you can shape some ice in there since it goes in the freezer. But what would you put in it if it goes in the oven? Maybe like you can make some little small mini cakes, I guess. I don't know. I didn't want it for me. Got it for her because I know she does stuff like that. Alright, I'm taking all my stuff and putting it to the side because that does not have to go back to work with me. Y'all, I cannot wait to use this. I might have to use this weekend. I don't know what I'm gonna plan for him, but I gotta plan something nice. Well, I'm using a charcuterie board. I just love them, y'all. And I really want me a tree-shaped charcuterie board. Something that represents the holidays. That'll be real cute. Oh, dang, you know what? I should tell my secret Santa that. Like, we had to fill out a list. And I did not tell them I'm into charcuterie boards. Like, I didn't tell them much of anything. Honestly, y'all, I must have been hungry when I filled out my sheet because, y'all, all I put on there was food. Like, feed me. I like American Deli. I like Chick-fil-A. I like this. I like that. Oh, I even told them I like Taco Shed. Like, I don't even think people really know about Taco Shed like that. Not for real. Because it's a little hole in the wall. But when I tell you they got some good food. So, yeah. I think I was hungry when I filled out my sheet. Because that's the only thing I told them. Feed me. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff up. Don is at the gym right now. Oh, and I gotta do a reel. Y'all, I'm trying to grow my Facebook. I just started it. I think I got 103 followers. So if you are already on Facebook, make sure you go follow me there, because I'm like posting reels and such, trying to get out there. But you know what? I don't know. I'm not really into Facebook like I am YouTube. I love YouTube because everything grew so fast. Like, y'all saw my subscriber count. It went up significantly fast. And like, people, y'all really watch the videos. But I mean, Facebook, I don't think they like me. Like, I don't know what it is. I'm posting the same videos sometimes. Like, the content is a little bit different. I don't post everything on Facebook that I post on YouTube. So, I don't know. It's a little bit different, but I don't think they rocking with it, y'all. I don't know. I think I'm gonna just let it go. And I'm posting on TikTok more too. So if you are on TikTok, follow me on TikTok. All the links are in the description below. And make sure y'all follow my baby's reaction channel. Make sure you follow my personal channel, Quona May. So yeah. Let me put this stuff up. I gotta hide it, y'all, because I got dogs, obviously. And they are bad. They will eat all this stuff. I did that last year, y'all. I bought some goodies from, I think I went to JCPenney. I don't know. I know they came from the mall. I think it was like JCPenney Bilk or something. I went to a retail store. And I got a whole bunch of goodies to like put in stocking stuffers. Y'all, me and Don went somewhere. We came back. He ate everything. He did not like swallow it, but he bit holes in everything. Everything was just like all over the floor. But anyway, I'm gonna see you guys later. I can't wait till my baby get back because I haven't been able to love on him today. Y'all, it's been a long day. When I came home, I crashed. I didn't even mean to. I fell straight asleep. I didn't get any work done. That's why, like, I'm up now recording content, trying to edit reels and stuff. I neglected my work. And when I told Don that, like, let me tell y'all about my husband. I know I keep on talking. I say I got stuff to do. But y'all, I have a very loving and supportive husband. I couldn't have asked for anybody better. Like, God gave me the perfect guy. Because when I told him, like, hey, I'm just neglecting all my responsibilities because I ended up falling asleep. Guess what this man told me? Oh, baby, it's all right. You worked so hard. You deserved it. You needed to go to sleep. You were tired. I was like, dang. Look at that reassurance. I love that. My baby is the best. When I tell y'all, I love that man. Ooh. But anyway, I'm about to go ahead and get to my work. Put this stuff up, and I'm going to see you guys in a minute. Don might pick up the camera before me. I'm going to try to beat him to it. Or maybe we'll get on camera together. I don't know. But I'll see you in a minute.
Gang, I can't cap. I do not feel like doing this, bro. But we're gonna get it done, though. You feel me? I'm gonna turn my music on. And honestly, I was watching a podcast, you know, talking to Quona. But she said she gotta get me right back. So I'm gonna turn this future on, or this dirt. We're gonna get it popping in here, man. Go ahead and knock this out. But I do have those nights where I really don't feel like doing it. You know what I'm saying? I just thought I would tell y'all that, man, because a lot of people may feel like, you know what I'm saying, I don't mean to toot my own horn, but people of my caliber, which I mean people who make it look easy to actually be disciplined. You know what I'm saying? Y'all may think we don't feel like not doing this stuff sometimes, you know? But anyway, yeah. Back day, baby. Let's get it. Hey, gang. Full stack, man. Full stack. I ain't gonna cap, but I really don't do machines when it comes to back day, but one of the guys had the other machine just like this, but it's free weight. He had it tied up. I ain't trying to wait on it, so I don't think the machine got no weight for me, man. So we gonna do the full stacky whack. The full stacky whack. You feel me? Hell no. Get the hell out of here, cuz. I'm tired of it. Hell no, we gonna put that shit right back on when I had it on.
Y'all, so I'm sitting here editing, and I was just thinking about how good the Christmas lights look at night versus the day. And it gives me an idea for a reel. Like daylights versus night lights. What you think about that, babe?
Oh yeah, that might be dope.
All right, y'all. So I really tried hard to get the vlog out to y'all on day 11, but it's after midnight, so it's gonna drop on day 12. But we still did it. Like, I ain't gonna lie, Vlogmas takes a whole lot out of you, and I'm just super proud that we're able to keep up. Like last year, I think we dropped the ball. That was our first year ever though. We had never dropped the ball before that. I think we got a little bit behind last year. And I think we stopped. Didn't we stop?
I think we did. I think we just like it.
Yeah, cause we got like so far behind. But that will not happen this year. Y'all, we are adamant about getting the vlogs out to y'all in a timely manner. And we adamant about seeing it through. Like, we definitely gonna go all the way. Babe, I gotta get back in the gym with you. Like, I'm just so impressed with how you stay consistent. And I honestly don't know how you do it. I don't get it.
I don't know how to do it either, man. I guess something I just got to do. I be tired though. I ain't gonna count.
Man. Well, I was telling my coworkers today about how you like manage everything. And I just want to be like you. I wish I could, you know, balance going to work, leaving work, coming home to do more work, then, you know, editing all that, and then still making it to the gym. Like, you a beast. You really are, babe. And I love you for that.
I love you too, babe.
Like, I say this all the time. Attraction is more than, like, just physical appearance. I mean, you fine, too, now. Don't get me wrong. You fine.
Appreciate
but
it.
apart from that, like, your work ethics and your hustle, it makes me even more attracted to you.
What's up, man?
I love it, babe.
What's up, man?
You that guy for real?
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, I'm tired. I don't know what. I went and got in the shower. That's why I look different. I went and put on my night clothes and everything. Got ready for bed and came back downstairs just to edit. But y'all, time is winding down. It's time for me to get in bed. I need to go ahead and finish this vlog. Oh yeah, look at our new intro, y'all. It's so cute. I just love that. All right, babe. Anything you want to say to the people?
Nah, man. And appreciate y'all for watching, man. We trying to do our thing, man. I'm super tired right now. I ain't gonna count y'all.
Same. Alright, so we're just gonna see y'all in tomorrow's video. How about that? Sure. And it's gonna be better. We're gonna make sure we get out to y'all a little bit sooner, I guess. And yeah, it's gonna be lit too. I don't know what we're gonna do, but it's gonna be lit. Alright, so we're gonna see you guys tomorrow.
Let's go.
Day 11 in the books.
Let's get it.